Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your content with topical authority using topic clusters. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of topical authority. Topical authority means being recognized as a credible source on a specific subject. Identify your main topic that aligns with your brand or niche. Break down this main topic into related subtopics. These subtopics will form the basis of your topic clusters. Next, conduct keyword research for each subtopic. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Once you have your keywords, create content around each subtopic. Aim for comprehensive, quality articles that provide valuable information. Link these subtopic articles back to your main topic article. This internal linking structure helps establish your site's topical authority. Ensure that each piece of content is optimized for SEO. Focus on using your target keywords naturally throughout the text. Incorporate headers and bullet points to make the content easily digestible. Images and infographics can enhance your content, making it more engaging. Regularly update your content to keep it relevant and up to date. Monitor industry trends and news related to your main topic. Adjust your content strategy as needed based on performance metrics. Use analytics to track which subtopics are driving the most traffic. Finally, promote your content through social media and email newsletters. This will help increase its visibility and further establish your authority. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.